Hello, today I want to talk to you about how we reduced our GitHub Action runtimes by over 50%. We are a small team of Unity developers and we use the Unity game engine, which has pretty long build times. We build applications for PC, mobile, and VR headsets. So here I've got a GitHub Action run building this sample application, and you can see here it took right around 24, almost 25 minutes. And here I have the exact same workflow that ran and built the same application in 8 minutes and 36 seconds. So how did we achieve this? Your initial guess might be that we used faster hardware, a better machine, but no, we actually ran the exact same workflow on the same hardware and in fact with the same software installed. And so what's the secret here? I'll give you a hint. This is not the first time that this job has run on this machine. What we have here are Buildalon Action Runners, which we've designed to rerun the same job again and again and again without having to reset to a clean state between every run. What you'll see here, if you examine the workflow between these two, the only difference is that I've changed the build label. I've changed from using the GitHub Action Runner to using our Action Runner. But these two runners are using the exact same hardware and the exact same software. When you use the Buildalon runners, we use the same machine again and again to perform the runs. So this is just like having your build running on your local machine where it's able to take advantage of the software that's already installed and any build artifacts that were built from run to run, because every software development platform today, if you're using Visual Studio, here we're using Unity, if you're using some other system, they're all designed to cache the build between runs to make incremental builds faster. But if you move to the GitHub Action Runners, you lose all that benefit because you're getting a clean state in each run, which is great for consistency, but really bad for build times. What we've done here is we've orchestrated a system that basically replicates the benefits that you would have if you were to run your builds locally and offloads that to the cloud in an automated way. So you can say, okay, I want the benefits of the caching, but I also want the benefits of having virtual machines in the cloud that I can easily reset, that I can easily scale, that I can easily parallelize the work by just replicating the machines very, very quickly and without having to buy additional hardware. And so this is really ideal for anybody who's building really large applications with large build times, desktop apps, server applications, mobile apps, VR apps, these kinds of things that take a long time to actually perform the build. This is an example project that we took straight from one of the samples, but in our real projects, these builds are not 20 minutes. They're actually more like 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes 4 hour long builds. And getting that reduction of over 50% really is a game changer, because instead of saying, oh, we get 2 builds a day to validate that the application is good before you get it checked in and complete your PR, you can only do that 2 times a day. That's a really slow development. If you speed this up by over 50%, in this case, it's about 3 times faster, then you get that many more builds per day. And that's how many more changes you can make per day. So it's really been a game changer for us, and we hope that you can benefit from it too. We built this website so you can give it a try really, really easily. Just click the Get Started, and it will ask you to install Buildalon into your GitHub organization or account. This is what will allow the system to install Buildalon runners into your organization so they can run your jobs instead of the GitHub runners. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is go into your workflow file and find the build runs on label and change it from whatever you're currently using on GitHub to the Buildalon version of that label. Once you've changed the label and you've started a job, the system will automatically allocate a free runner for you to try out the system. It'll have some free minutes on it, and you can see if your builds are still running the same and try some incremental builds to see if you get any speed up. Once you're happy with your builds, then you can go down and upgrade to a paid runner, try having parallel runners, try different operating systems, and so on. So now I want to hear from you. If you have these kinds of application and you're building it using GitHub Actions, how are you mitigating long build times? Do you think a system like Buildalon can help you to go faster? Let us know in the comments or on Discord. Thanks for watching and have a great day.